Hello everyone. Today in this video I'm going to tell you about Diploma in Primary Care Dentistry exam, which is being organized by Royal College of Surgeons in Ireland. Basically I gave this exam to update my credentials, and it has its own importance. And there is a difference between Diploma in Primary Care Dentistry exam and MFT1. The pattern is different, but the thing is, if you give this exam, you get an additional degree of diploma in primary care dentistry, and moreover you can appear for MFT part 2 exam. Okay, so first I'm going to tell you like which books I refer for this exam. Basically I read the clinical book of dentistry, that pink book, and I solved the past question papers. Then I studied past test series, that is MCQs in dentistry, and single best answers in dentistry. Those books you have to revise like twice or thrice better, because once the more you do MCQs, the more you will learn new things about it. And what I will advise is like once you are knowing some new things or reading some new things, better to note it down, because if you will just read it, you will forget it. This was my way of studying, because I cleared my MDS in the year 2013, and like it's been 7 years. So after 7 years I was back to my basics. So this was my strategy, like whenever I'm seeing a new things, I'm writing it down, and then 1 day or 2 days before the exam I prepared for it. Okay, so what I realize in my exam is the more you will do MCQs, the more you will know new things, and it's good for the exam. Coming back to the exam, this year the exam was like 75 true false pattern and 33 single best answers. True false pattern was okay, it was not that difficult. It's like the basic things. Once you will get used to with the MCQs, you will know what type of questions they are asking. Past papers, I'll not say that they were repetition. I don't think so there was any repetition from the past papers, but I think the more I solved, that helped me for that. The time frame for the exam, normally for me, I put for 2 months. I studied for 2 months, and like in December I started my studying, and I gave my exam on 8th of February. And regarding the study groups, there are various study groups. You can find it on Facebook. They are really helpful, because some confusions are there regarding some questions, so they are really helpful. Just before the exam, there is one more important thing. 2 weeks or 3 weeks before, the Royal College of Surgeon in Ireland, they will email the revision videos, which are very important. There are, half an hour videos are covering around 6 to 7 topics. They are important. They were really helpful. For that also, when I was studying, I was noting down the important points, and 1 day before the exam I was revising it. So that was my style of studying. Anyone have their own style. It's up to them. Okay, and now I'll prepare for my MFD part 2. So I'll keep you guys updated regarding the exams. Not yet planned, because 2 days back only I have received my diploma in primary care dentistry results. So now I'll plan, maybe in May or June I'll plan to give my MFD part 2. The results for this exam, they say 21 days, but I got in my 10 days. So yeah, it was good. Just that you have to focus first. You have to organize the things first, because when you know what you have to study, then only you can devote your time in that. Okay, so best of luck everyone, and just focus on what you are studying. And every day, like even if you study for 2 and a half or 3 hours per day, that also will makes a difference. Give more time during the last 1 week, and every day at least 2 to 3 hours is must. Okay, bye everyone, good luck.